What's up guys? In this video, I will show you how to change your Fortnite name on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now the process of doing this is quite simple and a little bit tricky, and that is why a lot of people are actually getting it wrong. But I'm going to try to simplify everything so that everyone would get to understand it in this particular video. Now first things first, there are basically two ways you can change your Fortnite name on your Nintendo Switch 2. You can go ahead and do it from your Nintendo Switch 2, or alternatively you can actually do it with your phone or any other device. Now, I strongly recommend you do it with your phone or any other device because sometimes you might actually run into some errors trying to use your Nintendo Switch 2 console to do it. And before we go into the whole process, you can literally see my Fortnite name over here. So just keep that in mind and you're going to see how we are going to change that name. Now, basically what you want to do is to go ahead and get your phone or any other device like your laptop, anything that can literally access the internet. And over here is my phone. You can actually use your iPhone or your Android phone, and then you just want to go ahead and open up any browser on your phone. In my case, I'll be using the Google Chrome browser over here. Now, from the top search bar of your browser, you want to go ahead and search for Epic Game account. So just go ahead and select that. And then over here, you're going to see the official login page of the Epic Games website. So you want to go ahead and click on this. Now from over here, you actually have different options to sign into your Epic Games account. What you want to do, and which is actually the most preferable, is to actually sign in using your Nintendo account, particularly the Nintendo account that you actually use in playing your Fortnite game. Now over here on your Nintendo Switch, before you actually open up any game, you obviously see that you need to sign in using a specific account if you have different accounts. So what you want to do is to basically choose the account that you actually use in playing Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch 2. So basically on your phone over here, once you select on the Nintendo account, you actually want to sign in using the Nintendo account information that is actually used for playing Fortnite on your Nintendo Switch 2. Now in my case over here, it is actually the B Scholarly main, which is also the same account as you can literally see from the Fortnite game on my Nintendo Switch 2. So what you want to do at this point is to just go ahead and continue with the sign in. So click on continue. Now once you're able to sign into your Epic Game account, you should automatically be taken into your account information page. However, if you're not taken to your account information page, just click on this three dot icon over here, and then just go ahead and click on your profile icon, click on accounts over here. Now from here, what you want to just do is to go ahead and click on this edit button over here, then proceed to change or choose any Fortnite name you want for your Nintendo Switch 2. So I'll go ahead and change mine over here to B Scholarly TV. Remember, we have some information over here, so you can just go ahead and read them and then enter any Fortnite name you want. Then check this button and then just click on the continue option over here. If the name has already been taken, you're going to see this error, so just go ahead and change it to any other name. So I'll just change mine to this, then click on continue. And once your display name has been changed, your Fortnite name on your Nintendo Switch 2 will also be changed as well. But this might actually take some minutes, sometimes about 10 to 20 minutes. So basically what you want to do is to go ahead and close your Fortnite game. So just come over here and click on close software, close the Fortnite game, and then just wait for about 10 to 20 minutes. Then go back and open up the Fortnite game one more time. Select the actual profile that you just logged in on your phone. So basically, if you come over here, you can now see that my username on Fortnite has also changed to the new username that I just changed using my phone. If you find this video useful, please make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more interesting tech tips like this one.